To auto-use feature wallpaper as exercise mode lock screen wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap exercise, scroll down the screen. Under wallpaper section, tap lock screen thumbnail, tap feature to see all wallpapers available under this section, and then select the feature wallpaper you like to use. Here you can see the preview of this wallpaper. If you are okay with the result, tap done button. By doing this, the selected feature wallpaper will automatically be used as your lock screen wallpaper when the exercise mode is active. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.